day, another conversation in football, another discussion, another conundrum, another space to explore as we are exploring the new season. But now Bafana has now been in the World Cup, and for the very first time, another person could say, but yes, the World Cup was extended. It didn't have 32 teams anymore. It had 48 teams. So for Bafana to qualify for the next round, it's just not worth it and all of that. But this is the very same Bafana that came with a bronze from the Africa Cup of Nations. This is the Bafana that has been rebuilding for the past 5 years under the now current departing coach. We are not sure. The language is not sure because he said he's leaving, but there is still no clarity if coach Hugo Broos will actually leave Bafana. But in the beginning, it was said that after the World Cup, Hugo Broos is leaving Bafana. While that is so, we want to see and look around because there can be many names that can surface, Zanele. And while we are on that, may I kindly please welcome you to the show today. Miss Zanele, Sis Zanele, how are you, Gunjani? So the issue of that I've just outlined as a snapshot, the issue of the Bafana coach. We are in a situation where Ntate Hugo Broos is not as clear as he was before that he's leaving Bafana. Second last game of the World Cup, he was sure that he's leaving. In the final game, Hawa Mutsisa, there's no clarity. What is your take on that?
Coach, bega expect maybe ukufika last 16 World Cup. So nje ufuna ukuziprova ngamanye ama-game azawo amakhulu ukuthi he can do it. Ku-World Cup kwazisekile lapho nalapho mara ukuze angasayikhulumisi ngibona ngathi sekafuna ukuziprova ebantwini ukuthi angenza better than ku-World Cup.
So and then Nina South Africans meeting, like what do you think? Do you think South Africans need him, or do you think South Africans are okay? South Africans are looking for a new face.
Mina ngithi angimdingi kesizame omunye coach.
Okay, kesizame omunye coach.
Yeah. Maybe angenza ngcono kunaye.
Ngiyakuzwa. Now, Sizanele, based on that, anisamfuni uHugo Broos ne right. Nani ngasamfuni uHugo Broos. We do have abo coaches abakhona. Let's say abayi 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ngibaphi mhlawumnye abo coach ocabanga ukuthi if now kufanele bafake ama CV or njengoba sewabawaphosele. Now uyisafa wena ngimapha ama CV or expectako mhlambe the top 3 CVs or expecta ukuthi ube nawo.
Ngine top 2.
When on the top 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Why? Yes. Let's get to there. Why uPitso Norulani specifically?
Experience yabo it's bigger. Khumbule ukuthi uPitso uwine iCAF Kay3. 1 with Sundowns, 2 with Al Ahly. Yeah. Even Norulani naye wenza kuhle la acoacha khona whenever la khona. So I think bangayikhona iBafana boyi2. Noma sidlala iCAF ama-team we-Africa sebayawaza ngisho they can win.
So kule top 2 yakho okhona na uthi bangayikhona boyi2. Are you saying that, let's say angisho u-expect ama CV uyisafa, uthola ama CV, uthola i-CV evela kuPitso, uthola evela kuRulani Mokwena, now uthi bayi2, what do you mean? Because uPitso uyawufuna ukuba head coach Mbereko noRulani uyawufuna ba-applyile. Let's say uBenny McCarthy naye uyayifaka i-CV. Let's say uJose Rivero uyayifaka i-CV. So Benny McCarthy after these successful years is it not important ukuthi i-CV yakhe ibe important ngalesi sikhathi?
Yeah, is important naye, but hayi njengalabo abayi-2 engibabalileko. Yeah, mina ngiprefera bona vele. uPitso angaba yi-head coach, uRhulani abe yi-assistant. Ngingabenza njalo mina.
Yes, but angisho umbuzo wami ngiwufuna ngalendlela uyisafa. Ngiyazwisisa ukuthi wena i-top 2. Uyisafa wena. Ngimaphi ama-CV athi nakangenako ama-CV ku-email noma etafuleni abekwe etafuleni o-expecta ukuthi ungawabona hayi ofuna ukuwabona. Ngimaphi ama-CVs o-expecta ukuthi lawa ngingawabona naka ama-CV aphambi kwami. Which CVs la eSouth Africa or across the globe njengoba sekufunakala ucoach uBafana o-expect ukuthi la ama-CVs ngawathola kuleyo tafula leyo. Ngaphandle ukuthi wena uprefera maphi?
Even no market, yeah, I think naye I can expect it.
And then bese ke what do you mean now to uPitso a head coach? Ngiba unginabele so that I understand. What do you mean when you say uPitso a head coach and uRhulani an assistant coach when both of them have applied for umbereko head coach?
Ngibona ngathi uPitso noRhulani bangaberegisana nge-experience abanayo ye-Africa. Then uPitso angithi uyambona experience yakhe yikulu. uPitso nguye coach la e-Africa owine i-CAF kuma-coaches e-Africa. He's the only one owine i-CAF. And uPitso naka-coachako ufuna i-win. Ukhamba nge-win uPitso. I-lose vele awi-expect kuPitso. Naye I think naye ingqondo yakhe akayi-expect i-lose. Ucoachela i-win uPitso. He is a good coach. Ngikhumbula i-Sundowns uwine i-league kayi-5 in a row zilandelana ku-Sundowns asa-coach i-Sundowns. Wakhamba after Sundowns coach Al Ahly ne? Yeah.
Yes, Sundowns. Yes.
Wafika nakhona wathatha i-league. Yabona ukuthi umuntu loyo angasisa phambili si-South Africa. Then uRhulani angaba right ya ngemuva kwakhe. Angazi ukuthi bazokuzwana na mara yena ngimfuna abe yi-assistant yakhe. Afunde lokho okhunye uPitso enza ngakho bese aye nakho phambili. Ngoba uPitso uyambona sekakhulile nyana yena usesemutshanyana uzokufunda okukhulu kuPitso.
Ngiyavuma. All right, now umbukeli uyazwela uSezanele uyibethe straight to the point ukuthi Pitso Mosimane should actually become the next coach of Bafana. Yet Soccer 360 siyathokoza khulu Zanele. Please keep on keeping on Soccer 360. Tada. Sithokoze Zanele.
Sithokoze mina.